All right, everyone. We are given a pair of simultaneous equations to solve using the determinant method. So quickly, what you do in such situation is to put the coefficient of the variables of this system of equation into determinant form. So we go like this. The first one, the determinant of the coefficients is equal to the coefficient of x here is 1, you put it down. The next is 1. The next is 2. The coefficient of y, the first is 3. The next is minus 2. And this is what? 3. Then the next coefficient of z, the first is minus 2. The second is 2. And the third minus, all right. So you have the first determinant using what? Coefficient of the system of equation variables. The next thing you do before you start solving is to get the coefficient, the determinant of what? X. And for you to determinant of x variable, you replace the coefficient of x by this constant here. So you have 1, 3, minus 4. Then you repeat the rest, which is 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 4. All right. So what we're doing is we are arranging them down before we start solving. So the next thing you do in using determinant method is to get what? The determinant of the y. So the y will be changing y. It's going to be, you replace the coefficient of y with the constants. So the first one, you have the x, 1, 1, 2. So in place of the y, you put what? 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, minus 4. Then we put the z down. Minus 2, 2, minus 4. All right. So we've gotten what? This is the determinant set for y. So let's go for this that of the z. So you have change. Simply will give you, you list them again. You replace the coefficient of z by the constants. But first of all, repeat the x, 1, 1, 2. The y is 3, minus 2, 3. And the z now you replace it with what? 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, minus 4. All right. So we have arranged the determinants, the 4 determinants needed. This determinant of the variables, so the coefficient of the variables. This is for x, this is for y, and this is for what? Z. This is how you set it. Then you start solving. So the first one now is for you to get the cofactors and the minus. So the factors we are using here to be plus, minus, and here to be plus. That's what we are using. So we form what? A 2 by 2 matrix. The first number there is 1, so you have plus 1. You form a matrix, a 2 by 2 determinant. So we have a close the first row, close the first column. What is remaining? We have 2, minus 2, 2, 3, minus 4. Okay, so the next is what? We close this second one, which is minus 3, right? So close this second column and the first row. We are left with 1, 2, 2, and minus 4. 1, 2, 2, and minus 4, right? Then for the last one, which is plus, so we have plus, the variable, the coefficient there is what? The factor there is what? Minus 2. So we have, so the next is close the first row, close the last column. Close the first, close the last. You have what? 1, minus 2. You have 3. Okay. So we've gotten the factors and the minus here. So let's solve it out and see what will give to us. So here now we'll have equal to 1. So let's work on this. Minus 4 times minus 2, we have 8. So this is the leading diagonal. You multiply it first. Minus 3 times 2, we have what? 6. So here you have minus 3. Minus 4 times 1, I have minus 4. Then minus 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So here we have minus 2. Plus minus is minus. So here you have 3 times 1, 3. 3 times you have minus. 3 times this you have minus 4. Okay? All right. So we can now simplify and get our value. So we have 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 times 1 we have 2. Minus. Minus 4 minus 4 is what? Minus 8 times minus 3 will give us what? Plus 24. Okay? So here, minus minus is plus. 3 plus 4, 7 times this one will give us minus what? 14. Okay? So total will have 12. So the first determinant is what? 12 from what? This is our formation here. Okay? We've gotten 12. So we'll go for the next one. This one will be equal to, so we've done with this. So let's go with this. So this one now, we know our rules now, plus, minus, plus. Okay? That's what we are using. You can use any of the rows. You can use any of the rows, but we are using the first row. So here you have 1. We have close the first row, close the first column. You have minus 2, 2, 3, minus 4. All right, very good. So the next one we have, it will be minus 3. So we have minus 3 here, close, close here, close here. So I have 3, minus 4, 2, and minus 4. 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4. All right. So the last one, which is minus 2, we have minus 2 here. Close it. Close the first row. Close this last column. So you have 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3. 3, minus 2, minus 4, 3. All right. So in dealing with this, you have to be very careful because a little error or a misplacement of number can give a wrong word solution. So you have to be very careful when you are solving with such a problem like this. So what we now go with is going to be, let's solve out this one. 1 minus 4 times minus 2 give us 8 minus 6, right? So here will give us minus 3. Minus 4 times 3 give us minus 12 minus minus 8. Okay. And this one will give us what? 3 times 3, 9, minus 8. Minus 2 times minus 4 will give us what? Minus 8. So finally we'll have 2. 8 minus 6 is 2 times 1, 2. Minus 12 plus 8, because minus minus is plus. Minus 12 plus 8 will give us what? Minus 4 times 3 plus 12. 9 minus 8 give us 1, right? 1 times minus 2 give us minus 2. Our answer is what? This we go with this. Answer is 12. So we've gotten 12 for the second determinant for variable x. All right. So we are going. We've gotten 2 now. So let's go for the next one, which is for the y. So it's going to form a matrix. And so we go again. So we use a plus, minus, plus. All right. So here we have 1, form the matrix. Close the first row. Close the first column. We have 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4. All right. So go for the next one, which is 1. We have minus 1. Close here. Close the second column and the first row. We have 1, 2, 2, minus 4. Then we'll go for the last one, which is this one, minus 2. Close first row, close last column. List. So we have 1, 3, 2 minus 4. 1, 3, 2 minus 4. All right. So we'll form for this one again. Let's solve it together, everyone. Let's go. So you have to be very careful when you are dealing with this. So we have this equal to minus 4 times minus 3. Minus 4 times minus is minus 12. Minus 4 times 2 will give us minus 8. All right. So we go minus 1, minus 4, minus 4. Minus times 1 is minus 4. 2 times 2 is minus 4 here. So we have minus 2. Minus 4 times 1 will give us minus 6. 2 times 3. So sharp, sharp. Let's be fast. So we'll go. So we have this one. Let's work on this one, everyone. Let's work on this. This plus 8. Minus minus plus 8. So we have 4. So we have here to be minus 4. Minus minus 8 times minus 1. We have plus 8. Okay. Minus minus we have minus 10 times this one. We have plus 20. I think that is right. So we have 8 plus this one, 28. Minus 4 will give us 24. All right. Minus 8 plus this will give us 4. 4 plus 20, 24. So we've gotten for the y. So let's go for the last one. So the last one now, we go again. This is plus, minus, plus. So we have 1. Let's form it. So we have close the first row, close the first column, first row. So we have minus 2, 3, 3, minus 4. Very good. So let's go for the next one, which is minus 3. So minus 3 will close the second column, the first row. We have 1, 2, 3, minus 4. All right. So we are moving. So let's go the last one, which is plus 1. Close here, close here. We have 1, minus 2, 2, and 3. All right, so we've gotten this. Okay, so let's go. So quickly, we'll have this to give us 1 into minus 4 times 2 minus 2 will give us 8. Minus 9, very good. Minus 3. Minus 4 times give us minus 4. Minus 6, very good. We have plus 1. 3 times 1 is what it's going to give to us. 3 times 1 is what? 3. Then minus 4. All right. So quickly, let me just finish it up this side. So we go like this. 8 minus 1 will give us minus 1 here. Minus 4 is minus 10. Give us minus plus 30. Right? Minus 3 times minus 10 minus plus 30. Okay? This is 7. 7 times 1 give us plus what? 7. So total now we'll have 36. Right. Very good. So we have 36. So therefore, to get the value of x, x is simply change, this is change in z. Change in x over change to which is simply, what is the value of change in s? 12. 12 divided by 12. So the value of x is 1. So we'll go for the next one, which is y. Change in y over change. Change in y is 24. 24 over 12, giving us what? 2. So we progress. Let's go for the last one, z. Change in z over change will give us what? 36 over 12. 36 over 12 to give us 3. So x, comma y, comma z is going to be 1, 2, and 3. It's a very interesting one. So you see that when you are solving a simultaneous equation using the determinant method for a 3 variable system of equation, you have to be very careful. If you follow it sequentially in order, you don't need to be distracted. You will get the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.